I found this excellent component storage box the other day. Only problem is these latches are missing. So I had a closer look and I noticed you can take these bits of plastic out that they were attached to, and you can see quite easily where they broke. So mould a new one on the computer, opened up Cure and got that printing. This one didn't go so well, but with one more try. No, you back! Got one successful print. It plugged in. It won't close unless I manually lift it. Just made that latch a little bit thinner there. Oh yeah. Oh, heat and bend, heat and bend.